Hello, this is Justin from Honors WP. Today we're going to be reviewing our course countdown timer for LearnDash add-on and how you can use it to show your LearnDash users how much time they have to complete a course before they lose access. So to get started with that, I'm going to go to our dashboard, navigate to LearnDash and courses. So let's pick a course where we want to add our course countdown timer to. So let's pick this first course right here, HTML for Beginners. We'll click Edit. Now you can add our shortcode to any WordPress page or post, but we do recommend you add it to the top of your LearnDash course page. That way, when students log in, navigate to the course, they can see right at the top how much time they have left to complete the course. So to add the shortcode, we'll just pick the shortcode block, PFK course countdown timer. We'll close that. Then we'll click update. As you can see, the course has been updated. So let's go back to our dashboard and log in as a student who's enrolled in this HTML for Beginners course to see how much time they would have left to complete the course before losing access. So let's go down to our users and let's log in as Danny Smith. We'll go to our homepage. Our homepage also features all the LearnDash courses that are offered on this site. So we'll just navigate down to HTML for Beginners and click on that. And as you can see right at the top of the course page, this user would have 51 days, 5 hours, 46 minutes, and 48 seconds left to complete the course before they lose access. So let's log in as a user whose course access has expired for this course. So to that, we'll just switch back to my admin account. And my admin account has lost access to this course and it has expired. So instead, as you can see, instead of the course countdown timer showing, all that shows is a little notification here that shows expired. And that's about all this plugin does. So it's very simple, very easy to use plugin. All you do is just add the short code to the LearnDash course page to let your users know how much time they have left to complete your course before they lose access. If you're looking for a solution to extend a LearnDash students course access, we also sell a plugin that enables you to do that, which I will link in the video. So thank you for tuning in. Feel free to contact us with any questions you may have. Like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to be notified when we drop new videos. Thank you.